morning children, how are you all? Welcome back to the story class, okay? Story time. Today's story is the cats and the monkey. The cats and the monkey. How many cats you can see here children? Two cats. See, I will show you two cats. There are two cats and they are good friends, okay? They are good friends. You all will be having friends, no? Yes, in the same way, these cats are very good friends. They will go everywhere together. They will go everywhere. They will roam around the streets together. They will be happy. They will be enjoying. Okay. So one day what happened in the same way when they are going in the morning, suddenly what did they see? Yeah, they found a big piece of cake. A big piece of cake. They found a big piece of cake. Yummy, yummy cake. You all will love cakes, no children? Yes, you all will love. Even I too will like cake. Okay, so they found one big piece of cake. And they said, ha ha, today is our day. We are going to enjoy with this yummy, yummy cake. So what they did? Immediately they went and they made it into two pieces. They made it into two pieces. They made it into two pieces. And see, one cat said, no, what is this? This is big, yours is big and this is small. I will not agree this, she said. No, my friend, you see, both are same. Yours is same, my piece is same, both are in front of you only. I made it into two halves. Then how can you say like this? Then no. You took big one and you gave a small piece to me. And what happened? They started fighting. Your piece is big, my piece is big, your piece is big. No, yours is big. Like that, they started fighting. So all this, who is watching? Yes. See here, the monkey sitting on the tree. Who will be on the trees, children? Yes, monkeys live on the tree. The monkey was sitting on the tree and watching, and it was saying, ha 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 ha. Nice show, good show. The cats started fighting. Okay, and this monkey's eyes are on cake. Yes, it was seeing the cake. Yummy, yummy cake, tasty, tasty cake. I want to eat it. What can I do? And it started thinking. By the time what happened, the cat started fighting. So slowly this monkey came down and asked, what happened, my friends? How can I help you? So the cat said, no, see, my piece is big. My friend took big piece and she gave small piece to me. And she is telling, no, both are equal. Can you please help us? So the monkey took both. Yes, I will help you. And the monkey took both the pieces in the hand and said, yes, you are correct. This is big and this is small. Now wait, I will do justice, okay? I will help you out. And what it did? Started eating. What happened then? If we will bite the big piece, what will happen? Then this became small and this became big. Huh? How can? Now see, this is small, this is big. Oh my God. This is small. Now it became small and this piece is big. Now what can I do? Okay, no problem. Don't worry. I'll make it into equal. And saying that, again one more bite. One more bite. Again. Now what happened? Now this became small and this became big. Aha, the monkey, both the cats are looking angrily. What is this, monkey? You said that you will make into equal halves. But one is big again and one is small. Okay, no problem. Don't worry, it said. And again, it bit one small piece. Finished. Now what happened finally? The cake finished. So the cake finished. Who ate the cake? The monkey ate the cake fully. And the monkey ate the cake and happily it was clapping the hands and laughing. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Clapping. It jumped onto the tree again. So the cats, what happened to the cats? The cats lost their cake. So with this, what did you understand, children? The moral of the story is you should Learn to be happy with what you have. You should not fight with each other. They both were friends, no? So they should understand each other. When they started fighting with each other, then the third person entered into the scene and spoiled, and she took everything. The monkey took everything. She ate the whole cake. Okay, so don't be greedy. You be satisfied with what you have. This story, you watch the video, enjoy, and in the CB book for LKG students it is there. See the pictures. See, look here, the flashcards like this. The story will be there, and these two cats, the monkey sitting on the tree watching, and then came down saying that it will help them out, and finally it ate full cake and went up the tree again. So the two cats lost the cake. What they got on that day, the delicious cake, they lost it. With this, you see the term book and try to analyze the story, children. Okay? Thank you.